No.
Wow.
No.
And just drop it into my hand. Wow.
Oh my god, that one was louder than the other one, right? Oh my god.
Very nice. Okay, so I'm going to start by adjusting right in this mid back, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead, nice deep breath in for me. And all the way out. Perfect.
Oh my god.
How did that feel?
That felt really
You can see your back almost just flatten out here.
Really?
Which is great. Nice deep breath in. And all the way out. Awesome. Wow, how'd that feel?
Really good.
Awesome. So I'm going to hold you here. My legs are going to go on top of yours, okay?
Okay.
Just give me a second to get my contact. Go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh my god, you came for me?
Nice.
Jeez.
How'd that feel?
Good. I'm like, I'm 25, not 52. What?
Same thing, okay? Cracking already.
I know.
Deep breath in. All the way out. Very nice.
Wow, I'm upset.
How'd that feel?
It felt really good.
I'm going to strap you in. You feel a nice stretch towards me, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Give me one more time, deep breath in. And all the way out.
Oh my god.
Very nice.
I've been reborn.
How'd that feel?
That was good. I was actually really scared for that one.
Yeah?
Yeah, no, that felt really good.
What do you think now?
No, really good.
Awesome.
Everybody
Awesome.
should do it. Oh my god.
Awesome. Let's lift up. Just gonna check some movement here. Just relax it. Perfect. Gonna bend the knee up. Just relax it. Perfect. Just relax it. Perfect. Just relax it. Great. Over. Head into my hand. Just relax that shoulder. Perfect. And just do me a favor and drop the head into my hand.
No.
Wow.
No. Oh my god.
How'd that feel?
I felt like a scary movie victim. You know when they like. Wow.
That was
Oh my-
super loud.
Oh my god. No.
How did it feel?
No, really good.
Awesome. All the way down to my hand. Just relax that shoulder. And just drop it into my hand. Wow.
Oh my god, that one was louder than the other one, right?
How'd that feel?
Really good. Oh my god. I feel like a noodle. Like I can actually move, you know?
Good.